हाय जवेर यार, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Oh my God, hi Irfan, how are you?
आई एम गुड, हाउ आर यू? पहले तो आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो।
Thank you.
माशाल्लाह से इतना अच्छा मुझे लगा देख के पोस्ट आपकी। अब मैं ये पूछूंगा कब, कैसे, कहाँ, कैसे हुआ?
So 15 मार्च को हुआ
Okay.
और घर पे हुआ और बहुत अच्छा हुआ।
तो कैसे मुझे बताया, आई रियली वांट टू नो। एक अच्छी एग्जांपल आपने सेट किया है और मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा देख के। सोशल मीडिया पिक्चर्स फौरन से वायरल हो गई। तो ये आप कहीं मिले थे आप लोग, ट्रेन पे, एयरप्लेन पे या बस पे?
नहीं, कहीं किसी
घंटी कहाँ
सवारी
बजी?
पे नहीं मिले। So we met at a dinner, at a friend's
Okay.
dinner, and then just clicked it.
Hmm.
Then aista, so when I really liked him and he proposed me, so I took him to my family and especially my best friend Shahud Ali, as everybody knows.
Yes.
And then he met him and he said कर लो, तो
कर ली।
फैमिली ने कहा कर लो, मेरी बेटी ने कहा कर लो, तो I was like okay ठीक है, it's a good thing to do.
Which is really good. I really appreciate. अच्छा मुझे बताया, अभी तक आपने उनको रिवील नहीं किया वैसे?
थोड़ा आहिस्ता।
जीजू करते क्या है?
Okay, so बहुत I don't know why people think he's a photographer. So he's not a photographer at
Okay.
all. He's a businessman and
Okay,
he
nice.
does his business. Yeah.
Cool. By the way, you have been part of the Pakistani entertainment industry for a long time.
Yeah, 28
How has
years.
your journey evolved over the years?
Oh, it's been very, very nice. People has been very kind. Industry has been very kind to me. They love me for what I am. Jessie bhi hu, but they love me, so I love them back.
Great.
And I think they have given me all the love what I have deserved ever. So I love my industry though.
Great. You have portrayed a range of characters from strong-willed women to vulnerable roles.
Of
Which role has been closest to your heart and why?
I think Dil Diya Dehleez was my favorite for past few years now. I think I haven't done anything better than that character. But yeah, Dil Aves, the recent serial from Mazhar Moin, which came on Geo. I really liked that. It was a very powerful, independent and very, positive character. Not like positive, but yeah, she has her own things going around. But I think that character was really, really nice. It gave me power and it lifted me up.
Great. How do you manage to keep reinventing yourself in an industry that is constantly changing?
Do you think I reinvented myself? Never. I am this for I think I don't know how many years now. So yeah, I am this. I have not evolved, I think, at all. But now I tell my directors to please help me with my skills now.
Okay. What was the most challenging role you have taken on, and how did you prepare for it?
I think Sukha was really challenging because it was what can I say? It was really, really hard because the heat was on and it was like 52 degrees and we were in Thar. So yeah, that was really hard to do, I think. And then the language, that's the main challenge which I have taken over, by the way.
Great. What are some lessons you have learned over the years?
Work hard. You have to really, really, really work hard. Whatever the field you're in, you need to work hard and be yourself. Just be what you are. I think that's the key to the success. And working hard is not that कि आप बस work hard करते रहे और आपको पता ही नहीं कहाँ जाना है. So set your vision, set your direction, and work accordingly. And keep your mouth shut.
Can you share any key moments in your life that have had a significant impact on your personal and professional outlook?
I don't know about professional. Like when I got my PTV Best Actress Award for 2009, that was the best moment of my life. I really loved it. And the other personal thing was my daughter's wedding. It was amazing and I loved every moment of it. I loved her, her susral, the shadi itself, and me being there and doing all that by myself with the support of my friends and my family was amazing.
Okay, Javeri, how do you feel about the evolution of Pakistani television, and where do you see it heading in the future?
I think if you see new dramas, especially on YouTube, not on channels, I wish the directors who are working for YouTubes and Z Prime and different channels should come on the mainstream TV and work for that. But I think the directors are doing marvelous job. New blood is like it's amazing. I think they're really, really good.
Great. What are your thoughts on the portrayal of women in Pakistani dramas today?
I think, I don't know why people want to show, the producers want to show a woman very sad and, miserable, and then we're still, working, like writers are still writing about how girls should go out and get jobs and, struggling. I think we're out of that phase now. I think we're out there, like girls are working. If you even see here in the store, you can see girls working and they're happy about it. They're making money. I think we should change this dynamic a little bit, and we can, go about it. There are so many stories. I don't know why we are still stuck on this extramarital affairs and, this triangle
Very
and
true.
everything. So I think we should move on about that.
That's so true. What's your upcoming projects or roles are you excited about? Can you please share a little bit about them?
So I'm not working these days much, but there's a serial I'm starting in November. For that, I just came here for shopping. So that is very exciting, very good. I'm excited about the director I'm working with and the cast. I won't tell you the names, but it's really coming soon on ARY.
Okay, do you have any plans to venture into directing or producing in the future?
Never. I don't have that heart.
Is there any genre or role that you haven't explored yet that you would love to try?
I think whatever I want to try will come on my way eventually, and I'll wait for that.
Great. If you could work with any actor or director in Pakistan, who would it be and why?
I think I have already worked with all of them approximately. I don't know. Maybe Bilal Ashari. And what? I think there are so many directors I would like to work with.
Great.
Yeah.
What are your favorite hobbies or things you love to do when you're not working?
As you can see, shopping. And I do acrylic nails. So I
Okay.
do that. at
Can we
home.
see? Can you show that? Wow.
And I knit, so I knit at home, and I cook at times for my kids. That's about it. I'm a boring person.
Nice. What's the one thing about you that your fans would be inspired to know?
That I'm not just only an actress. I'm a nail tech also. I'm a lash tech also. I knit and I crochet and I cook and I take care of my family. And I love my friends. I give time to them also. So I think woman is just not one character or one name. It should be everything in her. That's the power of a woman.
That's so wonderful. Thank you so much, Javeria, for your time. Any
Thank
message to Irfani followers, fans?
Oh, please keep watching my Instagram and go and like and subscribe and whatnot. Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.